Got one.
Oh, you got one.
Yes.
You got one. You got one, Ted.
It's on video?
Yeah, you got one. Oh my gosh.
Crap.
Oh man, now our towels are dirty though.
Wow.
Dude.
It worked. I'm gonna free it. Ready? No, it's not. I'm holding it lightly.
That in my purse, right there, the plastic bag. In there's my camera. My phone. Dude, there were 3 on you at like one time. It's so scared. It's so scared. Don't break its leg though.
I'm not. I'm holding it lightly.
Dad, you want me to do it for you? Come here. Here, videotape Tintin. It's videotaping.
I'm gonna free it, okay?
No, not yet. Let us tap in here first. Tintin did it.
Can I free it?
Close up. Zoom.
It works. I'm gonna
It
free
works.
it, okay?
See, taking
get it onto
pictures.
you. I'm gonna free it.
Well, hold on.
Say cheese.
And Nico is the witness.
Okay.
Okay.
Free it.
Are you gonna stand it up and count to 3? Okay.
2, 3. Oh, there's 2 in there.
2.
Really, Ted?
There was 2 in there.
Ah, congratulations, then. Here you go, then. How you turn this off?
There's feathers in there.
It's still recording.
Oh.